Duond buch siasa mar ODM wacho ni ok giikore mano mar chiwo thuolo moramora mar duond burnindo mano mar ODM kata gwenge ko magintiere koda mbi ne duond buche mamoko. Maendi en wachneno bende ne ogol koda jotelo gi mago mag ODM ahinya to magi mawuok e kaunti ma Homa Bay mane oluwo ni chenro nindo mano mar keto lalruok kata bedi ni biro bed kete e kind duond burnindo mano mar ODM kaachiel koda manindo mar UDA to thuolo mag ODM biro dong kata biro dong man kaka osebedo kaluwore ni onge kaka duond bura mamoko nyalo biro chungo ng'atgi e gwenge ko ma ODM nitiere koda mbi. Maendi gin weche gik mabende ne otel kod wachi koda joduond nindo man mar ODM katelnegi koda jaod bura nindo kata jakom mar ODM e kaunti ma Homa Bay Peter Kalum.
We don't care what much you will say there, but one thing we insist on, and one thing you must tell whoever you are negotiating with, and our irreducible minimum as Homa Bay party people, is that Homa Bay is ODM zone, and it will be only for ODM, members seeking elections on behalf of any coalition, if you go to any, before the elections and even after the election. In terms of the activities for the party, we have resolved that all the branch officers must be active, more active than they have been beginning now. All the ward officers must be active, as the county leadership will be moving around across the county, engaged in various party-related activities to strengthen the party and to meet the party membership. The party registration must continue in earnest, and we will be meeting the delegates of the party up to the polling station levels.
To call upon all the branch chairpersons and sub-branch chairpersons. We've agreed in this meeting that you are going to hold meetings in your branches or sub-branches and make sure that you mobilize our people to register as voters. As leadership at this level, we are going to mobilize our MCS. We've agreed the chair and the secretary will mobilize all our MPs, Senate and Women Rep, so that we come up together and mobilize our people.